Dear students, today's video is on writing. Every alternate Fridays, I make videos on letters and charts. Last week I made a video on letter, and this week I have made a video on charts. There is a pie chart and a table chart. Now let us see the question that we have got for today. The table chart shows the time spent by children aged 10 to 13 on study and leisure activities. The pie chart shows money spent on them. Write a report. So the first chart is showing the money spent on weekly basis by students of a specific age group on study and leisure activities. The second chart shows the expenditure on them. Now you can take some time to copy down this question with you on a paper so that when you see the sample answer, you understand things properly. In IELTS, we write our graphs in 150 to 170 words, 3 to 4 paragraphs. The suggested time is 20 minutes. In the first paragraph, you write the introduction, what the chart shows. In the second and the third paragraph, the report, which means the main features and main comparisons. And in the last paragraph, you have to write the overall, that are the key points. You can write the overall in the second paragraph also, it doesn't matter. Now let us see the introduction. The two charts provided illustrate the amount of time and money that is spent by the children of two different age groups on study and free time activities every week. So this is what the chart is showing, the time and money spent on two types of activities by a specific age group every week. So this is what I have written in the introduction. Now you can take some time to read this. Illustrate means to show. Now in the second paragraph, I have described the table chart. Let me read what I have written. As per the table chart, 35 hours are allocated to study each week by the children who are 10 to 13 years old. While when it comes to leisure activities, it is 15 hours, which is even less than the half of the time devoted to study. So these are the main features of the table chart that I have written along with data. The time spent on study, the time spent on leisure activities, and done a comparison also that it is even less than half of the time spent on study. Because in the report we have to write main features and comparisons if there are any. Now you can take some time to read this paragraph. The word allocate means to allot time, money, etc. for some work. See the kind of language I have used and try to learn it as well. Now in the next paragraph, I have described the pie chart. According to the pie chart, mobile phones on one hand and books on the other account for the highest expenditure, amounting to 25% each. In contrast to this, minimum amount of money, that is 10%, is spent on video games. Further, children spend 15% money on music. Lastly, once again, there are two activities with same spending of 12.5% each, and they are hobbies and visiting places. So here I have described the pie chart. First I have written the most important feature, that is the maximum expenditure, and then after that the minimum expenditure, because we have to compare as well. And after that I have written the other features. And see, whenever we write a new feature, we use a right linking word. Like first we were making a comparison between maximum minimum, we have used in contrast to this. This is very important to use right language. In the next paragraph I have written the overall, that are the key points. Overall, the children of the age group mentioned in the chart tend to give more time to study than leisure, and compared to other things spend more on books and mobile phones. So these are the key points, that they are giving more time to study than leisure and spending more time on books and mobile phones. In the overall, we only write the most important key points. Now you can take some time to read this paragraph. Dear students, this is just a sample graph, but the kind of graphs that appear in the exam are done in the class. And in case you want to prepare well for your IELTS exam, you can join my class. I have given my contact number at the beginning. You can also subscribe my channel where you will find a lot of content that will help you in IELTS preparation. And also, if you want a detailed explanation how to write charts and graphs, you can watch video number 17. It has a detailed explanation of this task. I hope that you find today's video useful and informative and have got little clarity how to write graphs and charts. And in case you have any suggestions to make these videos better, you are more than welcome. You can write your suggestions in the comment section. All the very best for your exam preparation, and thank you very much for watching this video.